Hey everybody, this is Mike with UTV Stereo. Just wanted to show you the install of a new mount that we have for the Polaris Turbo S. It's a mount to hold the XTC power products. Come with me real quick and I'll show you how to put it in. Okay, we're going to start the disassembly removing the hood. Next, we're going to take the upper dash off. Alright, now we're going to start the disassembly of the lower dash. Okay, to start the installation of the XTC mount, we simply push the plate up into the center pocket area and move it all the way to the driver's side of the vehicle. You'll feel it bump up against the metal bracket of the dash. And then install the screws.